Welcome to GTC. Today we will see how to write a program in Java to find the number is a prime number or not. So first let's see what is a prime number. In my prime numbers are whole numbers that are greater than 1, and these numbers are only divisible by the number 1 or itself. So here we can see few examples of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the first few prime numbers, where you can see 2 is the only even number that is a prime number. Since prime numbers are greater than 1, there is no chance of 1 or 0 or negative numbers being a prime number. So let's see how to write a program in Java to find the number is a prime number or not. Here you can see I have already written the program in Java to find the prime number, so it will save our time. So in main method I have declared a variable named number, assign a value 15 and a boolean variable to store the status of whether it is a prime number or not. So as we know that prime numbers are greater than 1, so what I did is I checked the condition at first that if the number is equals to 1 or less than 1, that is 0 or negative, then that cannot be a prime number. So if the number is less than 1 or equals to 1 or 0 or negative, then the output will be it's not a prime number. If the condition returns false, if the condition won't be true, then the control will go to the else block here. Here what I did is I declared a variable name m equals to a number by 2. So this will save our fruitless or unnecessary execution to check whether the number is divisible by other number. So what I did is 15 by 2. As we know that 15 will be divisible by max to max 3 or 5. So if we put the value here 15 by 2, it will return 7. So number greater than 7, that is 8, 9, means 15 will not be divided by that number. So it's not necessary to keep on checking the 15 is divisible by 8, 9, 10 up to 15. So what I did is I divided the number by 2, so it will return 7. So loop will execute till I reaches to 7. So it will eliminate the unnecessary loop execution. So as we can see here that I have declared a for loop, I is equals to initialize to 2 and I less than m. M is now here will be 7. So in that for loop I have written a condition, that is number mod operator I equals to equal to 2. So when it will return 0, when the number will be completely divisible by the value I is having. For example, I is equals to 2. So here 15 mod 2 will return 1. So this condition will return false. So flag will remain false and loop will not break. It will go to the increment. So I will be incremented to 3. So now we have number equals to, as we know, 15 mod 3, and 15 is completely divisible by 3, so it will return 0 and flag will become true and loop will break and the control will come here, as we know that flag is equals to true. So 15 is not a prime number, will be executed. Suppose we have a number. So let's first execute this program. So 15 is not a prime number. So let's assign another number, that is 5. So as you already I hope you have understood all the above code here, and let's go to the for loop directly. As you know, the I is equals to 2 and the number will be 5. Sorry, here we 5 by 2 will return 2. So maximum value of I will be 2, I equals to 2. Yeah, sorry, m maximum value of m will be 2. So I equals to 2 and m equals to 2, condition is true. Control will go to the into the for loop, and so number is 5 mod 2. So 5 is not completely divisible by 2 and it will not return 0. So condition will be false. So loop will not break and it will go to the increment. I will be incremented to 3. So as you know that m is having 5 by 2, that is 2. M is having 2, but I is now 3, so this condition will be false, and the control will come out of the for loop, and the status of flag is yet false because this condition was not true. So flag remained false, and as you know flag is false here, so the control will come into the else block, so it will print 5 is a prime number. So let's execute this code. So 5 is a prime number. So this way you can write the code how to find a prime number in Java. Thank you for watching.